Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. This video is about how boredom be handled. So let's go inside the video. Singing songs. Singing songs help you relaxing your mind and makes stress free. This avoids boredom. Try it. Write stories. Writing stories improve your ability skills and also creativity. So you won't feel bored. Read books. Read some adventurous books which makes you more happier. It improves your reading skills. So don't waste your time. Draw pictures. Draw pictures what you look around. This improve your skills and creativity. Don't think, start drawing. Do exercise. Doing some easy exercises like walking inside your house. This makes you feel active and makes you fit. Be healthy, stay fit. Cooking. Cook some easy recipes. This makes you to improve your cooking skills and avoids boredom. Be careful and don't make too messy. Grow trees. Grow some small herbs or plants which makes your house look prettier and gives you fresh air. Don't forget to pour water daily. Household works. Do some simple household works which makes your mom happier. It also makes you to overcome boredom. Make others happy and be happy. Play games. Play games like chess, carom, with your siblings. This makes you to avoid the feel of boredom. Play and enjoy. Take photos. Take some photos of nature. It makes you more joyful and helps avoid boring. Shoot and get inspired. Hope you enjoyed this video. Want part 2? Comment. See you guys in my next video.